When we were designing the house, it was important for us to include all options that we could for build a eco house, energy efficient house. One of those features was that we wanted to be independent from the infrastructure as well. So what we can do is we've got rainwater and the grey water recycling, that if there is an earthquake or any other natural disaster or for whatever reason, we still have access to water and to flush the toilet. We've got the 10,000 litre rainwater tank, which we take all the water off the roof. We've got a filter system here that comes in. It's held in the tank, pumps all the way through the house except for the kitchen. Rainwater is a really good, clean, crisp water to do washing your clothes.
Since we've been using the rainwater, it's definitely a lot softer on the clothes, and I use a natural laundry liquid from a local company, Aroma Naturals, but I literally only need to use a tiny amount. Like that's probably only half a tablespoon or a tablespoon, and that will that'll wash half a load, you know, maybe to a load of washing. So definitely cleans a lot better and seems to work better with rainwater.
Nice clear good water coming through here. Voila. So we've noticed no difference in water quality than what we would get from the mains out off the street here at all.
It's just really nice to be able to, you know, shower in rainwater. It's a lot fresher and feels a lot cleaner. Considering that we've been, what Christchurch has been through after the earthquakes when a lot of people lost the water supply, yeah, it's amazing that we know that we're self-sufficient and that we don't need to rely on the infrastructure, and that we can still operate our home and still have access to clean, fresh water.
Once it comes out through the vanities, the bath, the shower, the washing machine, it comes into the grey water tank where it comes out through the back there. And the silver membrane station there is sucking the good water up through over into this other tank, into the holding tank, and then out of that tank we've got the good clear water that's good to go back into the toilets and flush. So we've reused that water because I don't see any need to flush toilets with perfectly good drinking water. And under here we've got our control system. So this unit here is the pump that keeps the pressure on towards the toilet, so that pushes the water into the toilet. We've got this one here which is pumping air into the tank to move the oxygen around to help break down the bacteria, and then we've got a other system there which is the basically the brains that keeps everything operating.
It's nice to know that we're using and recycling water that's, you know, going to be wasted otherwise.
We wanted to take as much pressure off the infrastructure as we could, so we said we're using the water basically 3 times before we give it to the street, and that's part of what we're about.
What makes us energy efficient and sustainable. Recycling, reusing and making a change where we can.